Diego, Diego, look at me. Look at me. Diego. Diego. Hey, look. You tired? You wanna go to bed? You don't wanna play guns?
Yeah, stop.
Guns? But you're sleeping. Are you gonna sleep? You alright? Hey, stay awake. Keep your eyes open. No? Diego, you not wanna play guns?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, you're sleeping. No, you're not sleeping? What? Oh, that's that. Diego, you gonna play? Yeah? Well, don't sleep. Stay up. Okay? Here you go again. Diego. Stay awake. You okay? Talk to me. What's up? Diego. You okay? Yeah? Talk to me. What's going on? Huh? Well, I think you're playing guns and. Look, the bus.
That's it.
It's coming.
Where is it?
It's coming. You gonna play guns?
No.
No guns? No? Okay, no guns.
Yeah.
Then stay awake. Don't sleep, okay? Okay. Don't sleep. You're sleeping, buddy. No? Then what are you doing? You just nodding? Yeah? Yeah?
Don't see.
What?
Don't see.
You wanna go to sleep?
Mm,
You don't wanna play guns?
yes.
But you wanna sleep too?
No.
Okay, I'm confused. Wait, what?
Yes.
Yes to what?
Yes.
Yes what?
Yes. Two pickups.
You wanna play guns?
Yeah.
Yeah?
First, I mean,
What? Diego. What are you doing, buddy? Diego, talk to me. Okay. Why are you crying? It's okay. Look at me. You gonna play guns? Okay, look at me. Look at me. Come here. Well, hey, I'm just saying you gotta play guns. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. You not gonna sleep?
No.
Okay, don't sleep, okay? What are we doing right now? Are we waiting for Marcos? Who else? Huh? What's up?
¿Qué estás haciendo?